discussion of this block elements. This is the structure of chromium trioxide, chromate, ions, chromium, this dichromate, manganese, this is the magnet and permanganate ion. Here we are discussing particular D block elements because of the 3D series which containing the chromium as a central atoms, CrO3, that is chromium trioxide. Here that is CrO4. We can say this CrO4, that is nothing but this is the structure. This is a trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. It is a geometry trigonal planar having the hybridization is what sp2. So this is nothing but CrO3. As you can say CrO4 2 negative. So that is CrO4 2 negative. This is nothing but tetrahedral geometry. This is the tetrahedral geometry. Again, discussing this Cr2O7. This is the chromium which containing the central atoms. This is the chromium and chromiums which are having CrO3. That is 3 oxygen atoms which is bonded to this is the chromium ions. This is nothing but CrO7 2 negative. That is nothing but 2 negative charges there. So that is what Cr2 3 negatives is nothing but which contain this oxygen atoms which are having this is the negatively charged. Okay, so that is what Cr2O7. This is the dichromate ions. This is what dichromate ions. The bond length of this is the chromium and oxygen is what 179 parts meters. So this bond angle between this is oxygen, this is 126 degree. This is 126 degree bond angles, and 179 this is the length between the chromium and oxygen atom. Here the next structures as having this is the MnO4 and MnO4. This is what is the difference between the MnO4 and MnO4 1 negative and MnO4 2 negative charge. Here this is one tetrahedral geometry, chromate ions. We can say this is the chromate structure of these types of this is nothing but CH chromate ion. This is what a chromate ion. So here in continuous part, this is the MnO4 negative and MnO4 2 negative. MnO4 negative and MnO4 2 negative is there. So that is nothing but Mn is a central metal atoms. Here also Mn is a central metal atom. So MnO4, no doubt it is again a tetrahedral geometry. It is a tetrahedral geometry. So that is the one negatively charged. So that is what one negatively charged which containing this oxygen atom, and this one is not oxygen atom. So that is what one oxygen carries the negatively charged in what MnO4 negative. So this is nothing but structure of this permanganate ion. What is the name? Permanganate. This is the permanganate ion. This is the geometry of this is nothing but tetrahedral geometry. This is what a tetrahedral geometry of such types of the molecules. This is the permanganate ion. If you are and this is the manganese is here and which containing this is the 2 oxygen. This oxygen containing negative charge. 2 oxygen containing negative charge. Again, no doubt this structure, the geometry of this structure is nothing but what? Tetrahedral geometry. Which types of the geometry? This is what a tetrahedral geometry. So that is nothing but this is the permanganate ion, and this one is what a magnet ion. This is what a magnet ion. So no doubt this is again what? Geometry is what a tetrahedral. So these are the some structural that are represented as a part of your syllabus as a NCERT as well as a state board. This 4 to 5 structure. This is the chromium trioxide, trigonal. This is chromate ions, tetrahedral. It is the dichromate ions. This is what a dichromate ions. It is what dichromate ion. So this is nothing but this dichromate again. This is magnet. This one is a permanganate. इसको कहा जाता है permanganate ion, and this one is nothing but only simple magnet ion. So these are the magnet and permanganate ion. This is the structural representation. Structural representation is included in what D block element, in particular what 3D series.